Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Weldpro 200 AMP Inverter MultiProcess Welder. This Weldpro 200 multifunction allows you to perform TIG MIG, flux core, and stick arc welding in your shop. To ensure a precise and robust wire feed, the machine has an all-metal aluminum drive. The feed mechanism can accommodate 2-pound wire rolls as well as a 10-pound wire roll. With a weight of only 30 pounds, the machine is powered by an inverter igbt. The TIG function is a lift-start arc with 2-time or 4-time locking triggers to keep the arc bright for longer welds. If you want to use this machine, you must first purchase the necessary gas regulator. In TIG mode, there is no foot pedal to control the temperature, and this model does not work with one. MIG gas regulators are included with the Weldpro 200. It includes torches that can be used for both TIG and MIG processes. The Weldpro 200 has dual input voltages of 120 and 240 volts and an output range of 40 to 200 amps. It has an automatic compensation system for speed, amperage, and power to ensure the strength of the welding arc. Our second best inverter welder is Forney Easy Weld 261. If you're concerned about having enough money left over after purchasing the welder for your project's materials, look no further than the Forney Easy Weld 261. This low-cost welder is capable of welding mild steel up to 14 inches thick. You can dial in the perfect settings for every weld, every time, thanks to the infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, allowing you to achieve the perfect weld every time. The ideal entry-level welder. With a maximum output of 140 amps, you can weld mild steel up to 1x4 in plate. Weighing only 19 pounds, it is easily transported to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication, or hobbyist project. Designed for day-to-day use. Large enough to accommodate 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. The Forney 140 welder is a powerful flux core welder. Ideal for first-time welders to seasoned professionals. DIY projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch work, and automotive work are all examples of applications. Third in our list is Weldpro MIG155GSV 155 AMP Inverter Welder. This inverter MIG welder is both MIG and a self-shielded flux-cored welding machine. The MIG155GSV is equipped with a unique electronic reactor circuit, which can precisely control the short-circuiting transfer and mix transfer, resulting in better performance than other welders for sale. You will see the many advantages when you compare our products with silicon-controlled welding machines and tapped welding. Our MIG welders incorporate a special advanced circuit designed to automatically sense if the user is actually welding or simply feeding a new roll of wire through the cable. The circuit detects either high welding current flow or the lack of high current flow. If after approximately 5 seconds of checking at slow wire feed speed, if no welding current is detected, our welders automatically run the feed motor at full speed to help the user more quickly feed their new reel of wire through the cable. Never try to set wire speed by pointing the torch into the air and pressing the trigger. That action will invoke our automatic high-speed feed feature. The Weldpro 155 series are also portable, energy-saving, and electromagnetic noise-free. Number 4 in our best inverter welder list is Amico MIG130A Inverter Welding Machine. MIG130A adopts the most advanced igbt inverter technology and has an excellent arc stability, which produces perfect welding effects. All projects can be completed effortlessly and quickly. The current, voltage, and wire feeding speed can be adjusted. Furthermore, the wire feeding speed can also be automatically matched according to the current. It is simple and easy to operate, which is very suitable for beginners and professionals alike. MIG130A has a beautiful appearance and incorporates exquisite production technology. It is manufactured in accordance with all industry standards. The output current is 130A at 110 volts and 220 volts. Both 0.030 inches and 0.035 inches flux cord wires can be used. The machine is very light and has a user-friendly design, making welding work easy and perfect. This is an ideal machine for home maintenance, professional work, and every task you require. With an intelligent power supply system, the welder can automatically detect the input voltage, which allows the machine to automatically adjust. You can also switch easily between 110 volts and 220 volts. Extending the power cord by 300 feet can also resist power fluctuations and cable attenuation. It is very suitable for difficult operations on construction sites, docks, agricultural sites and relatively remote areas. Our last pick is MYYWELD Inverter Welding Machine. MYYWELD is committed to the research and development of welding machines and cutting machines, and continuously optimizes circuit design under the premise of ensuring high quality. This welder is a perfect entry-level dual digital display, easy to read and set. Besides, the welder machine uses 0.8 mm or 1.0 mm flux core wire. Wire feed speed can be controlled so that you can weld smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to support your application. Big enough to handle 2 pounds rolls of wire. Only 26.46 pounds lightweight. Conveniently brought to any place you need. This welder is a wide range of uses suitable for basic DIY such as household welding, hanger, covering, guardrail, repair, maintenance, metal fabrication, farm and road equipment, etc. Many kinds of metals can be used, for example, stainless steel, iron, carbon steel, etc. Weld thickness is more than 1.0 millimeters. American standards fit for welding normal thin 0.03 inch to 0.2 inch iron, carbon steel and treated steel. Using igbt inverter technology gives a more stable performance than traditional welder. It has the following advantages: stable wire speed, high no-load voltage, with good compensation of arc force, easy arc starting, less spatter, stable current, and no electromagnetic noise. The entire structure of the welder is compact and exquisite, thus saving floor space. For details, let's watch more.